Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore rent-ready compliance with IRS W-9 collection, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the purpose of collecting IRS W-9 forms. The W-9 form is crucial for accurate reporting of taxable income for contractors and vendors. Ensure you have a clear list of all contractors and vendors who require a W-9. Create a template email or message for requesting W-9 forms. In your message, explain the importance of the W-9 form for tax compliance. Include a deadline for submission to keep the process on track. Attach a blank W-9 form to your request for convenience. Make sure the W-9 form is easily accessible, providing a link if necessary. Prepare for follow-ups by marking your calendar a few days before the deadline. If some contractors do not respond, send a polite reminder. Once received, verify that all information on the W-9 forms is complete and accurate. Check that the name, address, and tax identification number match your records. If any discrepancies arise, reach out to the contractor for clarification. Store the completed W-9 forms securely, either digitally or in a locked physical location. Maintain a log of all W-9 submissions for easy tracking and future reference. Ensure all forms are organized by contractor or vendor for streamlined access. Review IRS guidelines to confirm compliance with tax reporting requirements. Prepare to file necessary tax documents using the collected W-9 information. Maintain an ongoing process for W-9 collection as new contractors are onboarded. Regularly review your records to ensure continued compliance and accuracy. Stay informed about any changes in IRS regulations regarding W-9 forms. Communicate any updates or changes to contractors as they arise. This proactive approach will help you remain compliant and avoid penalties. Lastly, document your processes for future reference and training. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.